English Sing-Sing.
Hobbies and Interests. What do you like doing? Playing the guitar. I like playing the guitar in music class. Playing the guitar. Reading books. I like reading books in the library. Reading books. Shh. Drawing. I love drawing with crayons. Drawing. Watching TV. I like watching TV on the weekend. Watching TV. Cooking. I love cooking for my parents. Cooking. Singing. I love singing in front of people. Singing. Dancing. I love dancing to hip-hop music. Dancing. Listening to music. I love listening to music before I go to sleep. Listening to music. Playing games. I love playing games with my brother. Playing games. Swimming. I enjoy swimming in the ocean. Swimming. Hiking. I like going hiking in the mountains. Hiking. Taking photographs. I love taking photos of my pet. Taking photographs. Playing basketball. I love playing basketball after school. Playing basketball. Riding a bicycle. I enjoy riding a bicycle at the park. Riding a bicycle.
Review.
Cooking. Dancing. Drawing. Hiking. Listening to music. Playing basketball. Playing games. Playing the guitar. Reading books. Riding a bicycle. Singing. Swimming. Taking photographs. Watching TV.